not good enough? It is a question that quietly eats me up inside. In those silent moments when I fail, when everyone is asleep and I'm just lying there staring at the ceiling, wondering, क्या मैं सच में काफ़ी नहीं हूँ? क्या जो सपने मैंने देखे हैं वो मैं पूरे नहीं कर सकती? I have asked this after every NEET result and after boarding marks, and even during those late nights when tears just fall and there's no one to even notice. I have been preparing for 3 years, but not just for some exam. I was trying to prove something, someone, and the society, to my parents, to the world, to the people once I trusted with my heart. Like I was just in the race for proving myself everywhere to everyone. I don't know why, but every time I couldn't make it, I felt like a little piece of me just disappeared. Like it feels so bad that I just can't even express in the words. People say just NEET, why are you so serious? But for me, it became everything. It became the pressure I never asked for, the expectations I was scared to disappoint, the expectations of my parents, expectations of my family, expectations of my teachers. Like everyone near me is saying, yes, you can do it, you will do it, you will crack the exam. But after result, everything just that left is just disappointment. The guilt of every rupee my father spent, the silence in my mom's eyes, the comparisons. उनकी बेटी का तो क्रैक हो गया, हमारे गांव में एक लोग का हो गया, यार जो रिश्तेदार की बेटी है ना उनका भी हो गया. And in all that noise, I stopped hearing my own voice. I started thinking maybe they are right. Maybe I am not enough. Maybe मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. मैं जो कर रही हूँ शायद वो सही भी है या नहीं, पता नहीं. सब कुछ ऐसा लगा रहा है बस टूट सा रहा है, बिखर सा रहा है. But I didn't stop. I pushed harder. I thought maybe if I give me everything I have, they will finally be proud. Because that was my desperate thing, that I want to prove my parents, I want to make them proud, and that was the only thing I was thinking in my whole preparation time. But even after giving my heart, my mind, my sleep, my peace, I still heard, बस इतना ही स्कोर किया, कोई नहीं, अगली बार कर लेंगे, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अभी तो जो हो गया हो गया. इतने कम कैसे आ गए? पेपर इतना ज़्यादा हार्ड था क्या? दूसरों के तो ज़्यादा आ गए हैं, मेरे इतने कम कैसे आ गए? इतना पढ़ती थी फिर भी कम आ गए, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? एंड ऑन द बैक साइड जो रिलेटिव्स, हाँ पढ़ती नहीं होगी, वैसे तो बहुत बोलती थी, इतने आ गए इतने आ गए, अब क्या हुआ? 10th में तो आ गए थे, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Okay, let them talk. But what no one saw was that I was just fighting for NEET. And with NEET, I was fighting with my anxiety, sleepless nights, and heartbreak. No one saw the nights I cried alone on the floor. No one saw the fake smiles I wore at breakfast. No one heard the thousands of times I whispered, please just one chance, God. I just want to prove everyone, I just want to make my parents proud. बस भगवान जी एक बार कैसे भी करके बस नीट क्रैक करवा दो मुझसे. मैं पूरी मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हूँ, बस कैसे भी करके बस क्रैक हो जाए. बस एक बार, बस यही एक इच्छा रह गई थी कि बस ये पूरी हो जाए. And now again the same question comes, am I not good enough? Or is this world just too blind to see the strength it takes to keep dreaming, to keep fighting when everything feels against you? जब सब कुछ और सब लोग हमारे अगेंस्ट हो जाते हैं तो समझ भी नहीं आता ना यार कि क्या मैं सही कर रही थी, क्या मुझे छोड़ देना चाहिए ये सब, क्या मैं ये करना डिज़र्व भी करती हूँ? सब कुछ बस पता नहीं क्या क्या दिमाग में आता रहता है. But not now. Earlier I used to blame myself, but maybe I wasn't the failure. Maybe the system failed me, or maybe the society. But okay, at the end, I still feel that maybe I was not enough, but I believe I was enough. Just not in the way they could ever understand, but in my way, I was enough. And yes, I'm still figuring life out, still confused, still little lost, but now one thing is clear. I am done questioning my worth. Because I'm not someone who gave up, I'm someone who survived, even when no one knew what I was going through. And if you ever felt the same, I just want you to know you're not alone and you're enough always and always. And it takes strength to know that you're enough और I'm with you all. और हर किसी के साथ ये चल रहा है यार, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो. आपने पूरी मेहनत की और आप एनफ हो. खुद को किसी से कंपेयर मत करो. दुनिया तो वैसे ही है कंपेयर करने के लिए. अगर आप भी खुद को कंपेयर करने लगोगे तो फिर दुनिया में और आप में क्या ही फ़र्क रह जाएगा. तो खुद को संभालो, खुद को हिम्मत दो और खुद के साथ रहो. और जहाँ भी हो, जैसे भी हो, बस खुश रहो और खुद को संभालते रहो. हाँ यार, अभी चीज़ें सही नहीं चल रही हैं, बट जल्द सब कुछ सही होगा. सब कुछ हमारे हिसाब से तो नहीं होगा, बट सब कुछ सही होगा. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.